our 72-inch natural gas salamander broiler. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of at least 71 3/4 inches, a depth of 18 3/4 inches, overall height with the bottom leg to the top of the gas pipe will be 24 inches. Left and right burners, and 3 levels to adjust your main tray. Tray currently set is at the 2nd level. Left and right oil and waste trays, and the measurement for the center shelf tray will be 13 inches in depth, and the overall length will be 70 inches. Corner will have our ETL certification along with natural gas information, and top, the gas pipe. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.